The hardest thing was to niche down. I personally have a problem just picking one thing to focus on because I'm skilled in different things just from working in the field. So
Mhm.
it was hard for me to, and not just niche down, it's just like niche down to the specific levels that you required. And that was challenging for me. It was like I feel like I'm overthinking it, but I know what I can do. So it was a battle with that. But the easiest was picking the clients that I wanted to work with.
And as far as niching down, like, do you feel like before you were all like you had everyone that you were trying to serve, and now there was just like, who is this one particular person that I'm trying to serve? That you said that's the hardest part?
Yes. Um So I've been licensed since 2019, but I've started in massage therapy in 2014. And when I
Mhm.
started, I didn't realize it was such a physical profession to be in. And
Okay.
at the time, I was not able to handle the physical demand. So I took a break. And during the break, I continued to build up my endurance and my strength so that I could come back to it. And during the time I was just giving out free massages. Like, you
Uh-huh.
get a massage, you get a massage, you get a massage. I was just building up my skill set. And so once I was able to go back to school in 2018 and I graduated and I became licensed, I worked in a different settings, right? So
Mhm.
in those different settings, I learned what I like and what I don't like and what I'm good at. And I feel like I should be able to offer everything that I'm good at, but it was really hard to focus on to pick one avenue to start with, and then I can branch out.
Right.
I've always had a problem with just picking one thing to do and sticking to that one thing.
Right. That makes sense. Do you feel like, is there like a trend where you're working with this particular type of client more than others?
Yes. So a lot of people in my area, they want spa work or they think they want a deep tissue massage. And that's mainly what I hear. So I will, before I even, allow you to get on my table, I educate you on the difference. I don't do spa work because spa work doesn't help heal your body. Does it relax you? Yes. But if you're having a pain or a chronic issue, you need your body to start working that out, right? So I let
Right.
them know I don't do spa work. And then I also let them know you don't need a deep tissue massage. Now you can ask for a deeper pressure. That's fine. That's grand. That's okay. But if you've never had one, and again, a lot of people have never had one because they think it's such a high luxury ticket item when it's really not. You don't need a deep tissue if you've never had one.
Right.
So I educate them before I even allow them to get on my table. So ensure like this is what you're actually wanting and what you're gonna get and what you will receive before you get off this table with.